Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update or add your payment method on GoPuff. Because if your card expired, or you got a new one, or you just need to switch what you're using, this is the quickest way to fix it. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and there's not a lot of steps involved. Your first step is to open up the GoPuff app and make sure you're signed in. Next, you're going to tap Account in the lower right-hand corner. Now you're going to look for payments. It may say My Credit Cards. The wording can vary a little bit depending on what version you're on. From here, you're going to add payment method or add card to enter your new card details and save it. Or if you're replacing a card, select the existing card and choose Update Edit if that option shows you in your app. Then when you check out next time, make sure you're using the payment method you want before you place your order. GoPuff supports major cards and also options like PayPal, Cash App Pay, and mobile options like PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo. Just availability will vary depending on device and app. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better way, drop it in the comments below. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.